Benefits of the blockchain. Security. The blockchain's decentralization makes information stored on the blockchain incredibly secure because a copy of the information is kept on many computers across the world. High transaction speeds. Blockchain also increases transaction speeds as there are no lengthy confirmation times, and the transaction moves directly to the recipient, not through multiple middlemen. Anonymity. The use of cryptography keeps users' personal information and the messages sent through the blockchain secret. Accessibility. The blockchain doesn't need any physical institutions to function. The only requirement is a connection to the internet.